Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace spark plugs in a Kia Forte. First, gather your tools, including a spark plug socket, ratchet, and torque wrench. Make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns and ensure proper component handling. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before beginning any electrical or engine work. This prevents accidental shorts and protects your vehicle's systems. Now, let's get to removing the old spark plugs. Begin by carefully disconnecting the electrical connectors from each ignition coil, then unbolt and remove the coils themselves. Use your spark plug socket and an extension to reach down into the cylinder head and loosen each spark plug. Once loose, you can usually remove them by hand or with a magnetic retriever. Take a moment to inspect the old plugs for signs of wear or fouling. With the old plugs out, it's time for the new ones. Apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of each new spark plug, being careful not to get any on the electrode. Gently hand-thread each new spark plug into its port to avoid cross-threading. Once seated, use your torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specified setting, typically around 15 to 20 foot-pounds, ensuring a secure seal without over-tightening. Finally, let's wrap things up. Reinstall the ignition coils over the new spark plugs, ensuring they click firmly into place, and then reconnect their electrical connectors. Double-check all connections to make sure everything is secure. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, and you're ready to start your engine and enjoy smoother performance. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car fresh.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.